Hi everyone, I'm Jake. Look at the city street, it's full of people. Do you know how to describe people in English? Today, we'll talk about height, body, hair, clothes, and more. Let's get started. Height. He is tall.
He is tall.
She is short.
She is short.
They are medium height.
They are medium height.
He is nearly 6 feet tall.
He is nearly 6 feet tall.
She is around 160 centimeters tall.
She is around 160 centimeters tall.
Body type. She is slim.
She is slim.
She is thin.
She is thin.
She is overweight.
She is overweight.
He is fit.
He is fit.
He is strong.
He is strong.
He is very muscular.
He is very muscular.
He is a stocky man.
He is a stocky man.
He is a little chubby.
He is a little chubby.
He has a big belly.
He has a big belly.
Skin tone. They have fair skin.
They have fair skin.
He has dark skin.
He has dark skin.
She has an olive skin tone.
She has an olive skin tone.
She has light brown skin.
She has light brown skin.
His skin is a deep brown.
His skin is a deep brown.
Hair. She has long hair.
She has long hair.
He has short hair.
He has short hair.
Her hair is curly.
Her hair is curly.
His hair is straight.
His hair is straight.
She has blonde hair.
She has blonde hair.
He has black hair.
He has black hair.
She has brown hair.
She has brown hair.
She dyed her hair purple.
She dyed her hair purple.
Her hair is very thick.
Her hair is very thick.
His hair is very thin.
His hair is very thin.
He has a receding hairline.
He has a receding hairline.
He has a bald head.
He has a bald head.
She has a ponytail.
She has a ponytail.
She has a bun.
She has a bun.
She has braids.
She has braids.
Eyes and eyebrows. He has big eyes.
He has big eyes.
Her eyes are round.
Her eyes are round.
She has almond-shaped eyes.
She has almond-shaped eyes.
He has blue eyes.
He has blue eyes.
His eyes are brown.
His eyes are brown.
She has long eyelashes.
She has long eyelashes.
He has thick eyebrows.
He has thick eyebrows.
Facial features. She wears glasses.
She wears glasses.
He wears an eye patch.
He wears an eye patch.
He has a round face.
He has a round face.
She has an oval face.
She has an oval face.
He has a square jaw.
He has a square jaw.
She has a pointed chin.
She has a pointed chin.
She has a round chin.
She has a round chin.
He has a big nose.
He has a big nose.
He has a hooked nose.
He has a hooked nose.
She has a small nose.
She has a small nose.
She has a wide mouth.
She has a wide mouth.
Her mouth is very small.
Her mouth is very small.
She has rosy cheeks.
She has rosy cheeks.
He has freckles on his face.
He has freckles on his face.
There is a tiny mole on his cheek.
There is a tiny mole on his cheek.
He has a pimple on his forehead.
He has a pimple on his forehead.
She has dimples when she smiles.
She has dimples when she smiles.
Others. He has a beard.
He has a beard.
He has a mustache.
He has a mustache.
He has a friendly smile.
He has a friendly smile.
She has white teeth.
She has white teeth.
He has long legs.
He has long legs.
She is very beautiful.
She is very beautiful.
He looks handsome.
He looks handsome.
He has a scar on his hand.
He has a scar on his hand.
She has a tattoo of a star on her arm.
She has a tattoo of a star on her arm.
He is barefoot.
He is barefoot.
Age. He is a newborn.
He is a newborn.
She is just a baby.
She is just a baby.
He is a little boy.
He is a little boy.
She is a teenager.
She is a teenager.
He is in his 20s.
He is in his 20s.
She is middle-aged.
She is middle-aged.
He is an elderly man.
He is an elderly man.
She looks younger than her age.
She looks younger than her age.
He is the oldest person in his family.
He is the oldest person in his family.
She is 80 years old but still very active.
She is 80 years old, but still very active.
Ethnicity and nationality. He is American.
He is American.
He comes from Canada.
He comes from Canada.
She is of African descent.
She is of African descent.
She is Chinese.
She is Chinese.
They are Japanese.
They are Japanese.
He is Mexican.
He is Mexican.
They are French.
They are French.
She has an Indian background.
She has an Indian background.
His parents are from Germany.
His parents are from Germany.
She is of mixed ethnicity.
She is of mixed ethnicity.
They are indigenous people.
They are indigenous people.
They are immigrants from Italy.
They are immigrants from Italy.
They are newcomers to Canada.
They are newcomers to Canada.
Clothing. He is wearing an army green t-shirt.
He is wearing an army green t-shirt.
She has a blue dress on.
She has a blue dress on.
They are in black pants.
They are in black pants.
His jacket is very warm.
His jacket is very warm.
Her skirt is long and flowy.
Her skirt is long and flowy.
Her jeans are tight.
Her jeans are tight.
Her sweater is loose and cozy.
Her sweater is loose and cozy.
She wears a short-sleeved shirt.
She wears a short-sleeved shirt.
His suit looks very formal.
His suit looks very formal.
He likes to wear casual clothes after work.
He likes to wear casual clothes after work.
She likes wearing cutoffs in the summer.
She likes wearing cutoffs in the summer.
He loves hoodies the most.
He loves hoodies the most.
He looks really good in that denim shirt.
He looks really good in that denim shirt.
He is wearing a plaid shirt.
He is wearing a plaid shirt.
There is a hole in his shirt.
There is a hole in his shirt.
His t-shirt is faded.
His t-shirt is faded.
His shirt is stained.
His shirt is stained.
His clothes are old and worn.
His clothes are old and worn.
Her t-shirt has a flower on it.
Her t-shirt has a flower on it.
She wears a suit to work.
She wears a suit to work.
She dresses up for the fancy restaurant.
She dresses up for the fancy restaurant.
They wear uniforms at work.
They wear uniforms at work.
He likes his red sneakers.
He likes his red sneakers.
She likes striped shirts.
She likes striped shirts.
Her jacket has a floral pattern.
Her jacket has a floral pattern.
They wear matching white shirts.
They wear matching white shirts.
Her scarf is bright yellow.
Her scarf is bright yellow.
She loves her new polka dot dress.
She loves her new polka dot dress.
His shoes are black and shiny.
His shoes are black and shiny.
She wears a silver necklace.
She wears a silver necklace.
Her earrings are small and round.
Her earrings are small and round.
Their wedding rings show that they are married.
Their wedding rings show that they are married.
Her hat is very stylish.
Her hat is very stylish.
He has brown leather boots.
He has brown leather boots.
She carries a pink handbag.
She carries a pink handbag.
He wears a mask because he has a cold.
He wears a mask because he has a cold.
She wears an eye mask to the party.
She wears an eye mask to the party.
She wears perfume every day.
She wears perfume every day.
His cologne has a light smell.
His cologne has a light smell.
She wears light makeup to work every day.
She wears light makeup to work every day.
She puts on heavy makeup for the party.
She puts on heavy makeup for the party.
Traditional clothing. She is wearing a Japanese kimono.
She is wearing a Japanese kimono.
She has a colorful Indian sari.
She has a colorful Indian sari.
They are dressed in Scottish kilts for the festival.
They are dressed in Scottish kilts for the festival.
His Mexican charro suit looks elegant.
His Mexican charro suit looks elegant.
She wears a beautiful Chinese qipao.
She wears a beautiful Chinese qipao.
He is wearing a colorful dashiki at the festival.
He is wearing a colorful dashiki at the festival.
She wears a hijab to school every day.
She wears a hijab to school every day.
They wear ribbon skirts and feather headdresses.
They wear ribbon skirts and feather headdresses.
Great job, friends! Now you know many ways to describe people in English. Practice with your friends and family. See you next time. Bye.